Welcome student of class 12. Today I am going to teach you some short answer type questions based on A Fellow Traveler, written by A.G. Gardiner. Question 1. Who was the author's fellow traveler? The author's fellow traveler was a wingy, nippy and intrepid insect whom we call mosquito. We already know mosquito, fellow traveler of author. Some difficult words are nippy, चुभन पैदा करने वाले, एंड इंटरेप्ट इंसेक्ट, कीड़ा, पतंग, कीट पतंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What are the advantages of traveling alone in a railway compartment? What, according to A.G. Gardiner, are the advantages to traveling alone in a railway compartment? The advantage of traveling alone in a railway compartment are that one enjoy full anything one likes without irritating anyone else. Next question. What, according to Mr. A.G. Gardiner, freedom being alone in a compartment? According to A.G. Gardiner, the pleasant sense of freedom about being alone in a compartment is that one is free to do what one can to oneself. One can sing, dance, practice on the floor. One can open and shut the doors. The next question. What does DORS stands for? DORS stands for Defense Relevant, which gave great powers to British government during the First World War, means war, during the 1940-1980. The next question. What did the author do while traveling alone in the compartment? While traveling alone in the compartment, the author puts down the paper, stretching his arms and legs, and stood up. He crossed the floor, peeped out the window, lighted a cigarette, took a seat and began to read newspaper. What did the writer say when the mosquito seated himself impudently on the back of his hand? When the mosquito sat on the back of the writer's hand, he said that it was enough. Generosity has its. Next question. Why did justice the award of death sentence? There are many charges against the fellow traveler mosquito. He was a public nuisance, a traveler without a ticket, a man without a meat coupon. Due to these charges, justice demands the award of death sentence on the fellow traveler. The next question. Why did the author feel humiliated and how did he reacted to it. The author felt humiliated because the mosquito saved itself from his attack. In its reaction, he attacked the mosquito with the newspaper. He pursued him around the lamp with cunning and swift blows. Who was the skillful matador? Finishing round an infuriated bull. And who was the infuriated bull? The mosquito was the skillful matador. Finest round an infuriated bull. The author was the infuriated bull. The next and last question. What relationship did the author develop with his fellow traveler? The author developed a more distant relationship with his fellow traveler. It plays on equality and fellow feeling. Okay, student.